Top 5 free PSD Mockup websites for graphic designers. Hello creatives, you're welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you top 5 free mockup websites that you can use, get free mockups for your graphic designing either on Photoshop or on your smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first website on our list is freepik.com. Alright, so let's go quickly to freepik.com and search for mockup. So freepik.com, freepik.com. Okay, so Freepik is a very nice platform that you can get almost all the mockups that you need to use. Alright, so when you come here, since we will be very much concerned about PSD one, alright, so the PSD mockup are the ones that you can both edit in Photoshop and you can edit it on your smartphone. Alright, so PSD file is actually Photoshop compatible, but when it comes to smartphone, we use the website version of Photoshop, which is the Photopea, and I already have some tutorials on how to use Photopea. You can check them out, the links will be in the description. So when you come to freepik.com, just go straight to PSDs. Alright, tap on PSDs. If you are using computer, just go to PSDs. You will see a lot of PSD files uploaded. You can equally search for them. Alright, you can equally search for mockups, so you can type mockups if you want to search for more mockup products. Alright, so let's quickly do that and see. So we have some are free, some are not free, so you take note of that when you are going through them. You select the free ones. Since we need the free ones, just select the free ones and you are good to go. So these are the mockups available over here on freepik.com that you can use any of them literally for free and just make your designs realistic. Alright, so these are the mockups that you can use. Now if you want to download them, just have to tap on them. When it is free, you know that it is free. When it is a premium version, you will also know. So let me just quickly tap on one and see how best we can go with it. So I'll tap on this one right here. So when it loads, you will see if it is free or not free. Alright, so let's go down a bit. Now you can download this. Alright, so the template is in what? PSD format. Alright, if you don't know how to edit it in Photoshop, you can tap on how to edit and they will show you. Alright, so this is a free one, so attribution is required, like to give credit to the person who made the mockup available, the PSD mockup available. You can copy a link and paste it, but it's not compulsory. Yeah, so you just have to tap on download and you will be able to download this mockup right here. So when you download it, yours is to go back to either Photoshop or Photopea and upload the file. Then you place your design on it, then you are good to go. Alright, so this is the first among the top 5 free mockup websites for graphic designer. So let's move to the second one. The second one is something that I really love so much. I make use of it most often, and if you see some tutorials on my channel recently, this is the very website that I use. So this website is GraphicBuzzer.com. So let's type in GraphicBuzzer.com quickly and go. So GraphicBuzzer.com. So that is it in my address bar. So I'll just tap on enter, then you're good to go. Like I said, GraphicBuzzer.com is a very nice website that you can get your mockups absolutely for free. Alright, your 3D wall mockup, 3D glass mockup, among others. Alright, it's a very nice website that you can get all these things. So when you come to GraphicBuzzer.com, just go straight to mockups. Alright, since you are looking for mockups, just go straight to mockups just tap on mockups. When it comes to mockups, you'll see the templates being loaded. Just look for the best one that you want, or you can equally search for a specific mockup that you want, and you are good to go. All right, so this is my favorite among them. You can choose any template over here that you want. All right, so quickly let me show you one template that you can equally come here and download. All right, so let me tap on a search icon over here, then I'll tap. All right, so when I tap on it like that, I'll just type in 3D wall mockup. All right, so let's see what will be the result for our search. So this is what we've been looking for. All right, so this particular one, the one at the middle, all right, the sign wall at the middle, is a very nice mockup that you can equally download and use. It is absolutely free. There is nothing that you're going to pay for it. So let me just tap on it and see, so that you get to know that it is free. You can download it, use it in either Photoshop or Photopea. All right, it is absolutely free and it is just mind-blowing. So once it loads, you're gonna see this over here. Format layer is what's layered in PSD. That means you can edit it. Smart object, yes. So when you're editing PSD file in Photoshop or Photopea, you will realize that we do save it as smart objects so that the effect will reflect. All right, so it is the same thing over here. All right, so if you want to download it, just tap on a download link here, the download icon showing right here. All right, and you'll be able to download it. Okay, so that is GraphicBuzzer.com for you. It is very cool website to use whenever you need a PSD file to work on in either Photoshop or Photopea on your smartphone. All right, so let's move to the next website. The next website is also super awesome. All right, and it is Pixellab.com. So let's type right here Pixellab.com, Pixellab.com. So Pixellab.com is one of the best mockup website that you can equally use and get free mockups for your work. All right, if you are a graphic designer, then you really need this thing, because whenever you are presenting your works to your client, actually you have to present them in a realistic format. All right, in a realistic format. So when it comes to Pixellab, we have some of the mockups in the premium version and we have the free version. So for you not to struggle with this, just come back to the top, then locate free. All right, locate the free ones that you need, then you can just go ahead and download them. So just tap on free. All right, we have latest, popular, most liked, and free right here. So tap on free so that you get the free versions that you want. Okay, so the free version has loaded successfully, so it means you can download any of these mockups for free. All right, you can download any of these mockups for free. If you want more results, you can just tap on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the rest. All right, till you get the desired mockup that you want to use. Let's assume you want to download this dark PSD bottle mockup. You just have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will load, and once it loads, you will be able to see the download button right here, and it is being indicated that it is a free resource, meaning you can download it and use without any attribution or whatsoever. So that is Pixellab.com for you. And Pixellab.com, like I said, is one of the best mockup website that you can get free PSD mockups and use for your graphic designing projects. All right, so the next website on our list is what I also use frequently. All right, it's what I also use frequently, and it is Amblast.com. all right, so let's go quickly to Amblast.com. Like I said, Amblast.com is also one of the best among the 5. All right, so Amblast.com, let's tap on enter and go look for it. So when you come to Amblast.com, you'll be able to see this in. Now Amblast.com sometimes might link you to another website to download the mockup, but in most cases you get to download the mockups right here on the Amblast.com website. Now on Amblast.com, if you are someone who uses Adobe Illustrator, that is AI Adobe Illustrator, you can equally have your free mockup right here. All right, so this is not only for Photoshop, it's also for Illustrator. All right, if you use Illustrator, you can also use resources over here. So whenever you see AI attached to a mockup, it simply means it's for Adobe Illustrator. So in our case, we are looking for the PS one, all right, the PSD file. So you will be looking for the ones with PS attached to them. All right, so whenever we see the ones with PS attached to them, that's the one that we are going for. Okay, so these are the mockups available right here. You can equally download, and most of them are free. Okay, so you just have to tap on the one that you want and go ahead with your download. Okay, so let's assume we want something like this one, the freestanding hard cover book mockup, that's PSD. All right, so we just have to come here. As we tap on it, we have it right here, and the next thing to do is to download it and use. So it's free download, you can just download it, and the format or software is PS. All right, that's just like Photoshop. Okay, so you just have to download it and go ahead and use them. So you can see other samples right here that you can equally download if you want them. So this is Amblast.com for you, and the next mockup website that we will be using is what I really use most often. All right, so it is called MockupWorld.com. So let's go back to MockupWorld.com, and MockupWorld.com is a very vast, just like you know the name MockupWorld. Yeah, it's a very large platform that you can equally get your PSD mockup files. All right, let me just type this thing correctly and we're good to go. So MockupWorld.com, MockupWorld.co rather, MockupWorld.co. all right, take note, MockupWorld.co. there's no .com, it's MockupWorld.co. all right, MockupWorld.co, take note. So when you come to MockupWorld.co, you have a chance to search for your own mockup that you are looking for. We have also here paper and books, we have packaging, iPhone, process and pictures, fashion and apparel, science and billboards, MacBook, iMac, food and beverages, vehicles, iPad. You can search for other categories if you want. That means if you are specific about what you are looking for, you just have to use that search button. All right, so when you come to MockupWorld.co, just look through and select the template or the PSD file that you want and download them straightforward. All right, so let's assume you want to download this mockup track. We just have to tap on it and it will load. Once it loads, then we will see the download button placed right there. Then we can go ahead and download this track mockup and use either on our smartphone or in Photoshop. All right, so we have free download and the category is vehicles, then the file type is PSD. PSD simply means you can edit it in Photoshop or on your smartphone using photopia.com. all right, so these are my top 5 free PSD file mockup website that you can use literally in every design that you are making. All right, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, then don't forget to give this video a like and also smash that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and stay tuned to our channel for more updates coming your way. Bless up.